Hello guys, welcome to my video series to learn Redis with Python. In this video I'm going to show you about the strings in Redis. So as you can see here, I can go to the terminal and use the Redis-CLI. This runs and go to the command line of Redis, and I can show you how we can use the strings. Okay, here I'm using the PyCharm. This is PyCharm Edu to write my codes and use and connect to the Redis. And so at first I have to create a Python file here with Redis 01, for example. Okay, here. So if I want to use Redis and connect to Redis, I have to use import Redis. What is it? How can I install this on my Python editor? Here you can come in the file and in the setting. So in the project learning, project interpreter, here project interpreter, and here you can press the button plus, and here you must type Redis and install package, and internet connection is available for you, must be available for you. So I close this window and this window, so it will be work for you. Okay, I'm going to create a function to connect to Redis. So write def connect Redis. I have to use the Redis keyword dot Redis with the uppercase R. So here I must use host. What is the host exactly? For example, 127.0.0.1. This is my host, and the port, what is it? 6379. And the DB, you must select DB. DB is 0, for example. Okay, it's the connection, and I have to use this to return the connection. The connect function is return the connection to the Redis. So here I must use the connect to connect to Redis. I'm going to create another function, def set string, for example. Here I must use Redis 1 parameter, for example, connect, and here Redis 1 dot set. The set is exactly use the set command in Redis. If you want to create a key with a string type, you must use set in this command line. For example, A1 with value 1, you must use set. And here I can delete this one, and you must use del key to delete the key, del A1. Okay, it's delete the A1 key. So here must use set. What's exactly the name? for example, ABC. And what's the value? The value is 1, 2, 3, for example. Okay, this is this line of code is going to create you a key with name ABC and the value with 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to declare another function, get string, for example. This is return. Let me declare another Redis parameter in connect. Redis1.return Redis1.get, for example, ABC. And here we must use set string and get a string, and I must show you with the print command in Python. Okay, so it's ready to run, and I have to run it. 1, 2, 3 is declared, and I can see here with the get command ABC is 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's finished, and I have to change something in my code. For example, use some parameters mkey and mval. For example, here we must use mkey, and here mval. And here I must use mkey for the key parameter in the get command, mkey. Okay, and here I can change the parameter ABC and the value with 1, 2, 3, and here I can change it with ABC, and I can comment this code because it's created before, and I'm going to run and you can see 1, 2, 3 is written. Okay, so here if you notice this function, the set, you can add comma, and you can see some parameters here in the set Redis. What is it? The EX. What is EX and PX and NX and XX? Okay, EX is the time for expiration in second. This is second. For example, if I use 5, this key, the ABC key, will be expired in 5 minutes later. So if I use 5, at first I have to delete the key, the ABC, or I can use here and write some code to delete it. So so here if I run the set string, it will be create a ABC key with value 1, 2, 3, and it will be expired in 5 seconds later. So I have to use while, for example, this one, and I can declare the I, and here you can see the result. I is equal to I plus 1. So if I run this code, let us see what happened. 1, 2, 3 is the value of the key ABC, and here is none, because it's just work for 5 minutes. I use X for 5 minutes. Okay, and if I change this one to, for example, the bigger numbers, I can, and it's in second, and it will be expired in these seconds. Okay, if I use peaks, you have to use the milliseconds. For example, 5,000. This tells us that this key is going to be expired in 5,000 milliseconds later, or 5 seconds later. So I have to delete the ABC at first. So if I use ABC, I cannot see anything. It's nil. So here I have to run again 1, 2, 3, the result, and here is none. The value is none. The value of ABC is none. So if you want to create the value, the keys that it won't be expired, you must delete the EX or PX from here. It create these keys forever, and you can, if you delete this one and here delete ABC. Okay, oh, oops. Okay, here I can run it. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 is the value of the ABC key. Okay, let's consider another parameters. So here nx and xx. What is nx and xx? If you use nx, it creates the key if it is not exist. So nx is true. If it's not exist, this key will be created. The ABC key will be created. So here let me change, and I can change this one because I don't want to use expiration time, and here I can comment my code. So print ABC. So clear this one and run this code. Okay, ABC is create because it's not exist. And if it's if you want to create the key with xx, it's true. It must be exist to set new value. For example, if I change this one to 5, 4, 5, 6 with ABC key, so here, as you can see, the value is changed and the set is work with the exist, because xx is true and the value must be exist. And if change this one to false, xx, here you can see 5, the written value is 4, 5, 6, and it doesn't. So let me change this value to 8, 9, for example. Okay, it's work. So this is example to show you how we can create a string key, and how we can we have to use the set and the get with these parameters that I mentioned you, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for uh, your time, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.